A bit less formal, hi. That's salut, salut, salut. So you can see that there is a T at the end, so that's because it's the shortened version of salutation. But now people use it every day to say hi and bye. Salut. Some people use coucou, coucou, coucou. So here again, we pronounce everything. O and U together are pronounced ou, coucou. That's the thing. I wouldn't personally use it, but if you want to sound cute or if you want someone to feel close to you, you can use it. Coucou. Sometimes in very old-fashioned movies, or if people want to give a style to their speech, you'll hear them say bien le bonjour, bien le bonjour, bien le bonjour. It's a bit, it's not weird and it's correct, but I've never used it myself and I don't know a lot of people who would. So I actually added the international alphabet here, the phonetic alphabet. I don't know if it's useful. The best thing to do is to repeat I, E, N together. It becomes ien, ien, bien, bien le bonjour, bien le bonjour. Again, very old-fashioned, but it's good to know in case you hear that in a movie. So bien literally means good. So that's the thing. There is bien and there is bon. Good and evil is going to be le bien et le mal. Bien le bonjour. Now this one is used in Europe mostly. It comes from Algerian Arabic supposedly, and now it's used to say hi. It's very, very, very colloquial. Don't use it with anybody. Just use it to people who say that to you. So it's wesh, wesh. And I wrote what up in English. It's not exactly the same, but it's to show the level of informality. What up, wesh. These are my selection. In standard formal, I would say bonjour or bonsoir, depending on the moment of the day. Allô, when I answer the phone, allô. And in an informal setting, salut, bonjour, bonsoir, allô, salut. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know with a thumbs up or in the comments, and don't forget to share and subscribe to support this channel. Merci et à bientôt. Thank you and see you soon.